I cannot tell you how fired up I am about this Black Friday. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a sneak peek to some of the new products we're going to be launching this holiday season. The first sneak peek, fired up for this, is our cream clay gels. It has such beautiful clay-like consistency, and it applies like silk. All right, the name of the black is Mistakes Were Made. We have Mud Honey, which is a beautiful mauve color. We have Dumplings, which is a light terracotta. So the first thing you guys are gonna notice when you're applying the product is how silky the application is. And because of the consistency, you're gonna be able to lay down beautiful, thin, highly pigmented application that is not going to move. This is going to make your color application absolutely flawless. The beautiful thing about the cream clay gels is a little bit goes a long way. You're gonna notice when you're applying the product that it goes on super silky and super thin. We have Second Favorite, which is a creamy white, and Secret Menu, which is a bright white. Let me show you what I love about these cream clays. Right? It is the ability to ombre with ease. Love how thin you can get everything, how tight that is. So pretty. Right? And the cool thing is too, is when you're applying, if you have to add more color to the surface, it doesn't move on you. You're able to just set it down and then just work the area you want until it absolutely blends to perfection. You're gonna be able to use this with gel polish. You're gonna be able to use it with hard gel. You're gonna be able to use it with acrylic. You're gonna be able to use it with everything that's out there. This is going to make color application a heck of a lot easier.
Subscribe the channel now. Subscribe the channel now. Subbing and subscribing and channel.